Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial using tons of awesome new products for this super like glossy bronzy look for summer. I am obsessed with this. I'm so obsessed with the eyes. It's a shadow but it looks wet. I'm obsessed and I'm so happy that everybody is back on the glossy train. So if you'd like to see this glossy bronzy look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, we are going to do something with this mess. I am just going to prime my lids with my Tarte Shape Tape. You guys know, if you watch a lot of my videos, this is my favorite way to prime my eyes. It's just super easy, and I feel like it's the best way in my opinion. And then I'm going to be using a palette from Colourpop. This is the Element of Surprise palette, and I'm using the shade Sea Stars first in my crease with a big fluffy brush. And I love these palettes from Colourpop. They're so affordable. Like, this whole palette is $16 and I love their shadows, so win-win in my book. So I'm just kind of fluffing this all throughout the crease and just going back in and deepening it up. You can see this is the second time I went in with that same color and it builds up so nicely. So I'm just going in with that same brush and building it up to the intensity that I want. This look is super blown out and bronzy, so you don't have to be super precise with it, which I love. And how many times did I say super already? And now I'm picking up the shade Blank Canvas with a smaller crease brush, and I love this shade. Of course, this is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. I just love these like burnt, rusty colors. So I'm keeping this on the outer corner. Really light hand here because this is such a blown out look. I don't want it to be really defined. I want it to be more diffused and blown out. So just take a little bit of that on the outer corner, and then I'm just going over it with that same blending brush we started out with. And now for the star of the show. I'm taking this Block Party eyeshadow from Dose of Colors in the shade Encore, and I am just packing this all over the lid. You guys, these shadows are so amazing, and you can see here I switched to my finger and it just gets even more intense. These are so beautiful. They're a pressed shadow, but with the way that it's formulated and the glitter in it, it looks like wet on your eyelids, and it's so stunning and it reflects the light so beautifully. These are perfect for summer or a night out. Literally want to wear these every single day. And then I'm going to take this shade and pop it right into the inner corner. This one is called Shall We Dance, so I'm just kind of melding that with the shade all over the lid and then bringing it down into the inner corner for a little pop. And then I'm just taking that same blending brush we started out with and blending out any edges before we go in with liner. And for liner, I'm using this dual-ended one from Tarte. I really love this guy. I always keep one in my purse because it's so convenient. One side is this nice thin felt liner, and then there's a kohl on the other side. But I am just trying to keep this line as thin as possible. Really just trying to fill in the gaps in my lash line and make it look a little bit fuller. That I see your face, it always makes me smile. And because I want the edges to be really soft, I went in with a flat shader brush and just some brown eyeshadow, and I am softening up that line before I go in with my mascara and lashes. And for lashes today, I'm using the new style from House of Lashes called Natalia. They're really similar to like the Iconics, I feel like, but a lot lighter. So I'm moving on to skin now, and of course covering up my dark circles with the Becca Brightening Under Eye Corrector. And then I'm going to use some concealer. And I do have foundation on. I forgot to tell y'all, I do have a light layer of foundation on. I can't tell you what it is yet, but you'll find out soon. Anyway, I am highlighting with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium and just blending all of that out with this Sigma 3D blender that I actually really like, especially for getting up under my eyes. So I'm just setting underneath my eyes with a little bit of translucent setting powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier one here. And then I am setting my face with the Laura Mercier powder as well. I love this stuff so much, you guys. I've talked about it before. And now I'm just going to bronze. Bronze, bronze, bronze. And that's actually the name of this bronzer. That's the shade from Urban Decay in the shade literally Bronze. This has a little bit more of a red undertone to it, so I feel like this is so pretty for summer to really give your skin a lot of warmth, and especially because my face is so much lighter, especially my shoulders get really tan fast. so I have to at least somewhat make it match, and this is the perfect bronzer for that. And then I am just using this tiny brush from Smashbox, and I am contouring with the new Morphe palette, which I love. It's so, so pretty. So I'm just taking that around my cheekbones and around my hairline, and I'm also going to use the new Morphe Blush Trio, and I forget the name of it. I will have it down in the description box below. But these are so beautiful because you get 2 more matte blushes and then you get 1 shimmery, and I really, really like that. To wrap up the under eyes, I am taking this new Artist pencil from Makeup Forever. You can use these all over, and I am using the shade Whatever Walnut, and I just lined my eyes with that, and then I'm taking Sea Stars again and just buffing that out all along the lower lash line. I feel like these colors, especially if you have green eyes, just really, really make your eyes pop. Popped on some mascara on the lower lashes, and now I'm highlighting with Zuma from Persona Cosmetics. Y'all, I cannot get enough of this highlight. Look how like beaming this is. So I'm highlighting basically all over my face. Then I'm taking another one of those Artist pencils from Makeup Forever and lining my lips with this. This shade has been my go-to lately. It has a cooler undertone, and it's called Completely Sepia. I absolutely love this. So I am just lining my lips with it, and then I'm going to finish off with some gloss. This is the new lip gloss from Becca Cosmetics in the shade Rose Gold. And once you get that on, this full look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!